Hi, I'm Phil Swan, and in this clip, I'm going to show you how to very easily adjust your list layout using the list mechanic and get that one field exactly where you want it to be without having to click, because we don't have time for that, do we? So if I navigate to the GRC Content table, because this table is the base table, it's extended into the control objective, the citation, the risk statement. So if I want to see all the different numbers across all of those fields or data types, I can look at the base table, SNGRC Content. So if I click the list mechanic to personalize my list, you can see classes sitting at the top here. And when I send it over to the right-hand side, it's sitting at the bottom, but I want it at the top. So my first option is to click, but we don't have time for that. We're busy. So I select the bunch that I want using a Shift and Click function. So I'll just hold Shift on my keyboard while I've got one selected and then grab the range. So I take that range that I want to move and I move that down, which moves class up. And in a very quick and efficient way, I'm able to reorder my list layout, my column layout, and then I can right click, group by that field, very easily see the types of data that I've got on this table. Once again, use the list mechanic, personalize list, and you can also click and drag. You can move these around in a block. Much easier, much better. Thanks for watching. I hope this is useful. Enjoy.